Alright, back on the Volvo today. Hard way working on things for that thing. So, today I'm going to show you guys how to do an oil change on your Volvo. Step 1, pull off cap. Step 2, raise that vehicle and put it on jack stands. Step 3, something to put your oil in. And then, really helpful, oil filter wrench, ASG V4010. GoPro died, so we're back on the phone. So, oil filter, cartridge type because it's a Volvo. Bam. And then your drain plug is right here. So first things first, crack this thing open, let it drain, then top it back up, and then pop this guy back off. Word of advice, always let your oil drain until it's coming out just like boop, 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 boop. Always let it drain out so it's just a drip. After that, then you can do the filter. Alright. And as you can see, without me dropping the phone, down a drip. So now, I should get a phone holder. So now, plug in, crack this guy, drain it, and then at the end we'll torque this and the drain plug all together. So. Normally, every time you do this, you want to get a new drain plug and crush washer, but I forgot to order that. So next time we'll go ahead and take care of that. And yeah, snug it so it stops leaking in the meantime, but not quite tighten it. All right. Next, this guy. I had on myself. So VST. Bam. 21 socket to break it free. And then if you go ahead and buy bam, the STP S8712, it comes with the new cartridge filter. It's already in there, and a new O-ring. That's the old one. If you buy a filter kit for your P2 that doesn't come with an O-ring, take it back and get one that comes with an O-ring, because if you don't replace your O-ring on your oil filter housing, you will have oil leaks. I've made that mistake previously on my old Volvo, and that's a hard-learned lesson. So, once you get this thing nice and tight, we'll look up the torque specs, torque this guy down, and then torque this guy down, top it up, reset the light, and we'll be good to go. Right, things were already torqued. I just torqued them, so 18 foot-pounds or 25 newton meters. 25 foot-pounds or 37 newton meters. And yeah, so once they're torqued, you go ahead and put oil in this thing and then reset the light.
A few moments later.
Alright, now resetting the light. So pretty much key to ignition position 1, hold this thing down. Go to position 2, the yellow light flashes. Once it flashes, let go, key off, and that should reset the light. This is a 2-hand job, so I have to put the phone down.
I got it.
So she's holding. Position 1. Position 2. Now, let's see, on-call plug, and that's it, reset. Although we probably should switch out that light, but that's how you reset the light. After that, oil level set, and that's pretty much it. Service